Have you ever wanted to start your own succulent garden but didn't know where to begin? Succulent gardening is a popular, beginner-friendly hobby. The variety of succulents available is astounding, and their unique beauty is unmatched. With just a few simple steps, you can create your own succulent garden. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose your succulents. From the sun-loving echeverias to the shade-dwelling haworthias, each type has unique needs. Remember, picking plants that thrive in your climate and environment is key. Once you've chosen your succulents, it's time to prepare your garden. Now that you have your succulents, you need to prepare your garden. Start by selecting well-draining soil and a suitable container. Ensure your garden gets ample sunlight and establish a regular watering schedule. With your garden prepared, it's time to plant your succulents. Now comes the fun part, planting your succulents. Start by spacing these resilient plants about 6 inches apart. Water them sparingly, only when the soil is dry. Remember, consistent care is key. With proper care, your succulent garden will thrive and bring you joy for years to come. Creating a succulent garden is a fun and rewarding experience. We've journeyed through choosing succulents, prepping the garden, and the planting and care process. Remember, every garden is unique, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this helpful, thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening insights.